Haldi ceremony is a very important function in every Hindu's wedding. So today I thought to bring a painting related to this. So I'm using camel poster colors, and the first color that I am using is yellow ochre for her blouse with very less water. I'm using camel poster colors, but you can use any brand, any you can use domes, Artline or anything, but I'm using camel. I'm doing it with very light pressure and with very less water. Don't press your brush too hard on the paper, otherwise the fiber of the paper will peel off. The second color I am using is lemon yellow for her fall. Now the next color that is used is chrome yellow or medium yellow for her whole sari, I mean lehenga. Use very less amount of water for painting her lehenga, as we have to make her clothes very much darker, and if we will use water then it would be lighter. So in total we have to do total 2 layers of chrome yellow or medium yellow for her lehenga. Okay, total 2 layers. So now let it dry. You can use a hair dryer or you can use nothing, ऐसे भी चलेगा, naturally भी dry हो सकता है. Now I am using flesh tint color or the face color for drawing her face and her hands. Actually, in poster color we don't find face color, a flesh tint color. If you have 18 shades or 12 shades or less than it, that is 6 shades. But I have made a video on this, that how you can make face color, that is flesh tint color, with only 2 to 3 colors, which are basically available in all packs. जो 6 वाले पैक होते हैं उसमें भी available होते हैं. So please go in the description box and check. Here I am using orange pen, but don't worry, if you don't have orange pen you can also use normal orange, that is poster color, uh, or vermilion hue color. I am using orange pen because the designs are very much minute and the line should be very very thin to make designs, and using brush it's not possible for me to make that much fine lines, so that's why I'm using this pen, but you can always use anything, the alternatives for it. Now I am using black color pencil, but if you don't have black color pencil, then don't worry. You can use 8B or 10B graphite pencil. And if you don't have that also, then you can black pen. And if you don't have black pen also, none of them, then you can use poster black color. All will do the same work. Okay. Now I am using black pen, black ball pen for the designs in her fall. Now I am using black pen for drawing her necklace, which is made of flowers, and coloring it with red pen, red gel pen or ball pen, anything you can use. You can also use red poster color, poster red. In Haldi ceremony, most of the people wear every jewelry made of flowers, so that's why I thought to make this. For the designs on her sari, that is lehenga, I am using red pen. I am making small dots on the edges of her lehenga to make it more good all around her lehenga. Small dots with red pen. Now I am making patterns on her fall with red pen, so you can follow the same steps with this. Straight lines. For painting her hairs, I am using black color, that is poster black. If your black color is not darker, then you can do first layer with burnt sienna or brown color and then with black color. Now let it dry. Now I am making a flower with black pen and coloring it with red pen, but you can use poster red and poster black colors for it. To decorate her head, I am using poster white color. I am repeating the same thing again. Don't use much water in this painting as we have to make all the things very much darker, and especially her lehenga, so don't use much water. Use very less water. Now I am using yellow ochre color for the main part of this drawing, that is her haldi. Haldi में सबसे most important is haldi, so I'm using yellow ochre color for it. For the curtains, I'm using poster red color with very much less water. So from here the painting will not look that much good, that much impressive, that it will not look that much good, as I'm using cobalt blue hue color, and camera may blue color does not looks that much good, but in reality it looks very good. So from here the painting will not look that much good, so I'm using cobalt blue hue color for the background. Always use a flat brush for painting the background. Here I'm using flat brush number 10 camel brushes. Now I'm making some flowers with orange color and yellow color, that is lemon yellow color, to make the background little good. I'm darkening the flowers with again the same color, that is orange color. Make another flowers with lemon yellow color. Do another layer of them of it. I'm using light green color here, but you can use any green, that is sap green or any leaf green, light green, dark green, medium green, anything you can use, but I am using leaf green, that is light green. Okay. Paint the table with burnt sienna color, that is a brown color, with very less water. Now again I'm using burnt sienna color, but now this time I'm using water. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा water use कर रहे हैं इस बार to make it little lighter, as the table's top is lighter than the edges. Now I'm using poster red color for the curtains to make them little darker. So now the painting is about to complete, and I hope you must have enjoyed the video. So let's meet you in another video.